In terms of affordability, the interest rates are all-time low. SBI interest rate is approximately 6.7, 6.8%, which is historical low, maybe 15-year low or 16-year low. Because the buyer has sailed through one of the toughest time, whatever he has seen over the last 1 year. A person's job is now saved, and he has thrived through this pandemic. He is more confident in buying. Plus, in terms of affordability, the interest rates are all-time low. SBI interest rate is approximately 6.7, 6.8%, which is historical low, maybe 15-year low or 16-year low. Third thing is that the prices has not risen in last 5-6 years very significantly. So affordability index has improved. Fourth thing, the interest level of buyers is more in plotting, more in taking larger specification. It means a person who was aspiring to buy a 2 BHK is looking for 2.5. A person who was looking to buy 3 is looking for 3.5 or 4, something, even if he has to go little bit outskirts of his main city. Third thing, what we have seen is that work from home, all people are considering that it will remain, at least for 3 days, 4 days in a week. So probably it may have people may have a flexi working where they need to go to office 3 or 4 days in a week, and rest all will be at home. So the idea is that they spend more time at home, so their space within home should be much better than what they used to have earlier. What we have also seen is that the demand in tier 2 city is also picking up well, and particularly cities surrounding to the metro cities like Mumbai or Bangalore or Chennai. People don't mind. People are inclined now more to buy in those areas, and the demand is quite good there. In terms of industry, what we have seen is that some industries are doing extremely well, like IT industry, pharma industry, banking is recovering in a big way, some manufacturing activities. So this city like Bangalore, which are very dependent on IT spending, cities like Chennai, which is very dependent on manufacturing and IT, Pune, which is manufacturing plus IT. These all cities are doing extremely well, and these all are supported by various government incentives. Very recently, what we have seen is in Bangalore, the stamp duty relaxation was provided by state government. In Maharashtra, the reduction in stamp duty was huge success. In fact, they crossed all their targets of all previous years, despite huge reduction in the stamp duty. So what we anticipate is that probably after the second wave, maybe in next 1 or 2 months, government may come out with another window of probably 2-3 months where they will allow again this stamp duty reduction, and probably we may see another spike in residential sales what we used to have.